Hey, I want to show you what I have found to be truly a game changer for me as it relates to my piecing. Magic sizing. It is a game changer. I live here in Columbus, Ohio, and I'm able to get this at my local grocery store. And here in Columbus, we have Kroger. So they're a broad family of brands. So just check Magic Sizing, game changer. What I do is I only do this to my background fabric. I'm sure you've seen other designers out there who also do a similar process to all their fabrics. But for me, I found that just doing my background fabric is more than enough to get me the results in my piecing that I have. What you do, I'm calling this process marinating your fabric. You simply give it a good shake, and truly, there's no such thing as, oh, I put too much or it's too wet. Literally just start and go top to bottom, all the way down. I do not open my fabric, and I'm going to show you why. Well, folded, it's much easier to manage and handle this way, but literally top to bottom. And you can come back and do a crazy 8 if you want to. Then you flip it over. Can you see how wet that is? Doesn't matter. And you do the other side. The other thing I want to let you know is I do not pre-wash any of my fabrics. I only buy 100% quilter's cotton, which is, high quality, good cotton fabric. So there's no need. So I do not pre-wash. You probably notice that, oh gosh, that's shrinking. There's a little bit of shrinkage there. There is. I don't know exactly how much shrinkage you get. So just to be on the safe side, if you want to try this and you do like it, I would recommend when you buy or order your background fabric, grab an additional 1/8 or 1/4 of a yard because it does shrink. So after I've marinated it and gotten it wet, front and back, simply hang it on the front of your ironing board and let it air dry. It needs to air dry and be 100% dry before you hit it with a high heat, high steam iron. Typically at the end of the day, before I head to bed, if I know I'm going to be sewing the next day, I will do this step in this process right before I head to bed. And so the first thing when I turn on my lights in my sewing room, it's the first thing I do. I iron my background fabric and all my other fabrics before I get started. So if you try it and you like it, let me know. You can always reach out to me on my Facebook, Instagram, or website at plantedseeddesigns.com. Keep me posted. Love to hear about it.